Putting sand in your bucket.
In my shovel. My shovel though.
You got it.
It's got sand on it. Where's your shovel go? Okay, there it is.
Thank you for showing us that. I don't think we could have found it without your help. Where'd the sand go?
It was hurt. What's that?
Stick.
And stick. I'm gonna get the dirty.
Are you going to get it dirty?
Let me see your pretty shell.
What are we?
Wow, what a pretty shell. I think that is the most beautiful shell I have ever seen.
What's that?
An obnoxious boy.
What was that burp?
Burp.
What's that? A bee. With a little flag. With a little flag though. With a little flag.
The
With
little...
a little flag though.
The slides.
Oh, no.
The slides are up at the park.
Oh, yeah. That's what she said. Look at the ducks.
Quack quack. Quack quack. Quack quack. Quack quack. Quack.
Do you want me to hold your sunglasses?
No.
Okay. How many ducks are there, Aries? Let's count them. There's 1, 2, 3.
Water.
There's 4 ducks.
Water. Good. It's sunny. It's sunny out. It's sunny out.
Yeah, is it sunny out?
It's sunny out.
Thank you. Yeah, Grandma will hold them for you. That way you can play with your shovel and your sand. And do you want them?
It's so sunny.
It's still sunny.
Well, honey in the back, maybe. I want to put on the hair to the bed letters.
Okay, put them on.
Hey, maybe I'm going to put on it. I want to put on my head.
You want me to put them on your head? Okay, look at me. There.
It should fall down.
No, it won't fall down.
It won't fall down.
That way, you can wear them on top of your head until you want to put them back on your eyes again.
That looks very pretty.
That's how Grandma wears hers. See?
Uh-oh, it's falling down. It's falling down.
It was okay.
It's okay. If you don't touch it, it'll stay there. Uh-oh.
My last dirty.
Oh,
It's so sunny. It's so sunny then.
yeah.
It's so sunny. Thank you.
It's a beautiful night. It feels good.
Yeah, it's pretty out.
It's cold. It's cold outside.
Yeah, it's a little bit chilly.
It's cold.
Yeah. Do you want me to hold them?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I feel much better.
Yeah?
I feel much better.
You feel much better?
Hey, I want to the park.
You ready to go to the park?
Okay.
Okay, we can take our bucket and shovels and go to the park and play on the slides.
I did Papa to the sun. Yay, let's go.
Let's go.
I did. I did.